Hey guys, good morning. It's like 7:18 right now and I have to get ready and leave by 7:40 and I have so much this time and I don't even know what I'm gonna be wearing. And today is Palm Sunday, so happy Palm Sunday. So yeah, let's get dressed. Hey guys, I'm back home and then I bought a few stuffs like always. So let me just share with y'all whatever I got. It's like a mini haul. So let's start. At first, I got these Yippee noodles, like four of them. It's 5 rupees each. And then I bought glue for my journaling junk journal. And then I brought the hot glue sticks, two of these, because it's been a long time since I used a glue gun. So I thought, why not use it? And then I also brought this smooth flavored milk. I love this. And then I also bought this at last. Um, it's this lactocalamine, and I feel like it's good. I've never tried it, so I thought why not try it. And it was for 150 rupees. That's it. So it is a face lotion, and along with it, we also get a freebie. Freebie. Okay. So that is all I brought, and then I just made myself some lemon water because I'm like severely dehydrated and I did not feel good at all. So I'm gonna drink this, and I also had my lunch. So it's like one o'clock right now. literally, I kid you not, it's 12:19 a.m. and it's time to sleep, but I just did this makeup look which turned out so pretty and cute. It's like very natural, subtle look, and because I wanted to experiment, so I just tried doing something. So like now I'm gonna be washing my face and I'm gonna be trying this face wash which I got along with this kit. So hopefully it doesn't break me off. So it says for all skin types as well. So we'll see. So I'm just gonna wash my face and go back to bed.